That is very exciting. Quincy, next time rinse out like this because it'll be much easier. I know, we got a little off schedule, but yes. Oh, hey, don't forget to put away the dishes. Somehow that bread. Rooney?
What?
Okay.
I was out there.
Okay, I was just making sure. He's outside. He'll be back. You can walk normal. He'll be fine. My hands are a little busy right now after this, or you can ask your siblings for some help.
I want more noodles.
Oh man, we're all out.
Well, I've got some right here.
Yeah, but I'd have to cook them, and I'm not cooking anymore.
Oh.
Luckily, we just bought taquitos.
Yum, 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 yum. I like taquitos.
You're gonna have to wait.
What?
You're gonna have to wait.
Ew.
Yeah, I think you sat in some chicken that I spilled earlier.
It got some on my hand.
Yeah.
Ew.
Mm.
Ew. I'm all pink. Except for the girls right there.
Quincy, do you need to blow your nose?
I can't.
Oh. I'm not saying it's easy. I'm saying it's possible. I'm a single working mom, and if I can do it, you totally can too. It may take some time to get there, and that's okay. Just believe that you can do it.